Hello everyone, I'm Xiaozhu Shian. April 5th is China's Qingming Festival. It marks the official arrival of spring. And in my hometown, I'd like to celebrate this festival with some special food. Today, I would like to share this recipe for meat with red sauce. Wash pork belly. Cut the meat into 3 centimeter cubes. Boil the meat in a pot of cold water. Wash and remove for later use as soon as it starts boiling. Oil a hot pan. Add green onion and ginger to saute. Add the meat chunks from earlier. Stir fry them to prevent sticking to the pan. The recipe and ingredients are very simple. It's suitable for beginners to try. Add cooking wine and cover the pot and simmer for a while. Add hot water Cover the pot and bring to a boil. Add 2 star anise. Add a tablespoon of red yeast powder. Red yeast powder is the powder made from red rice. Red rice is fermented rice. We use it as a seasoning, natural dyes, and to add flavor to the food. Cover the pot and simmer over medium heat for 40 minutes. Add a teaspoon of salt, 3 tablespoons of sugar, and mix well. Cover the pot and heat it at high heat for 5 minutes. Stir it over high heat to make it more concentrated. You can try it if you'd like to. Add seasonings based on your little taste test. Cooking can bring satisfaction, and it's not just a delicacy, it's the smell of home, a warm, sweet taste of happiness. So in a busy life, have some delicious red sauce meat. Let the taste buds feel sweet memories, whether it's a family dinner or a gathering of friends. It can be the focus of attention at the table. Evaporation complete. Serve it in a bowl or in a plate. Pair it with some fresh green veggies. Are you drooling yet? I know I am. Thank you for watching. Piglet wishes you all the best. See you next time.